Hello my creators, today we are going to make the paper hanging. For that materials required are, so let's start the video. First we are going to take the 15 by 15 centimeter square paper. We have to fold twice this paper like this. First folding and then this is second folding. Now once you folding, we are going to trace a line from this side. When the two part is open, from that side we are going to trace a line like this. Before that we can draw the half centimeter line here, and now we are going to start tracing a line like this. 1 centimeter margin for these lines. Approximate I draw the 6 lines according to your paper, and your line might be either 6 or 7 like this. Now we are going to start cutting work from here. We have to cut till the line which we draw. Once you complete the cutting work, now we are going to open this paper. Be carefully when you are opening this paper. Like this, you have to open your paper first. Now take one from the each side, and we are going to start sticking work like this. In a first taking, you can take the help of pencil or any pen for tracing. Now once you complete the first folding, remember we have to leave the 1 like one folding, one leave. As I fold this one, I can leave the second one, and I am going to stick the third one. Then I leave the fourth one, and I am going to stick the fifth one. As Fevicol taking a much time for the sticking, so I am using the glue top also. Like this, first you can try to stick with the Fevicol, but if you have a glue top at your home, you can use the glue top also. I am showing you this last one. I am going to stick with the glue top. See, like this, if you have a glue top, you can stick it with the glue top also. Like this. Now which we left, that we are going to stick it opposite side like this. Like this, we have to complete the full sticking work, and after complete it should be a look something like this. Now we are going to punch both sides. If you don't have a punch, you can use the rounder. Once I complete the punching work, I can tie a pom-pom in the thread, and that I am going to hang it at the bottom. You have to take a margin how much long you want it. After that you have to cut and make a knot there. On the remaining thread, you can stick the mirror or any decoration things like this. Now on the top, we are going to use the satin ribbon, or you can use the woolen thread also. Tie this satin ribbon here. Make a proper knot, and extra you can cut as well as you can stick also. Now on this, again you having a two options. Either you can take the paper cutouts, either you can take the big mirrors for the sticking. I am using the paper cutouts, the same color paper cutout. like this. You can stick. This one is here. Like this you have to complete your hanging object, and you can use for the decoration anywhere. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Thank you.